Hello, today's topic is C30PRO installation tutorial. The configuration includes MATX and dual 360 AIO and ATX. First, remove the outer shell. Please use the PH2 screwdriver to loosen the screws. C30PRO supports conventional and back-plugged motherboards. We use the conventional motherboard to demonstrate. First, install the motherboard. Fix with round head screws. Plug in the CPU and 24-pin cables. Organize the cables to the back. Remove the 2.5 HDD holder on the back. Just need to unscrew this screw to remove it. Note the direction of the connecting finger, facing the wider side of the holder. Fix with 2.5 HDD screws. Connect the HDD cables. Reinstall it into the chassis. Thread the cables through this opening area. Then thread the case I/O cables to the back of the case. Then, put them back to the front and plug in the motherboard. Next, install the CPU block and radiator. The fixed position of the radiator. Before installing the power supply, it is necessary to install the power holder first. This side of the holder is aligned with the PSU fan face. PSU cannot be installed like this, because the radiator holder does not have enough space to install. Therefore, we can only install the PSU in this way. First, you need to connect the power cable. Turn on the power switch. The fan side need to face to downwards. Put it into the chassis. The fixed position of the PSU are these 3 screws. Connect all the cables. On the back of the chassis, we can organize the cables. At the bottom of the chassis, 2 12cm fans and a 3.5-inch hard drive can be installed. The fixed positions of the HDD are these 4 positions. Next, install the GPU radiator holder. Note that the holder with one side facing inward and the other side facing outward. The fixed positions for the radiator are these 2 rows. We recommend the radiator pipe facing towards the rear of the case. Then we plug in the GPU, install and fix the radiator. The fixed position of the radiator are these 4 holes. Finally, connect the power cable. Turn it on and check. Then we reinstall the shell. Installation completed. See you next time.